Alright, so thank you for the work so far that you did on the website. There's a few things that need correction. If you notice, because I mentioned that I want it to look exactly how it looks on the theme. So if you notice on this theme, all the posts for the blog on the home page, they all are arranged in a certain format. The pictures are a certain size. The text that appears are a certain length. It will only show a certain amount of text, and everything looks really nicely arranged. But here on the actual blog that you did work on, it doesn't look like that, and I need it to look like this. 3 columns right here. The thumbnail pictures should all be evenly spaced out and evenly sized. Like I want it to have like a default image size, so I won't have to worry about resizing the image. It'll just always size to the default image, which is this one right here. And the text, it only shows a certain amount of text. I want everything to be nicely organized and lined up, and that's not how it looks here. You see how it looks all like jumbled up and stuff. Also, this video here, it's jumping outside of the margins, so there's some issue with that. If you notice on the theme, it stays within the margins. And on the home page, the slider is a specific size, and all pictures that are loaded to the slider remain that size. You don't have to worry about resizing the image because the slider will automatically size it to that image. I want the slider to be this size. I don't want it to be all big and giant like it is here. And on the theme, there's 4 sections right here. I need there to be 4 sections as well here. See, there's only 3, and it's kind of like off to the left, and it kind of doesn't look even. I need there to be one more section here. And yeah, also, if you could tell me how I can edit this, because I don't see anywhere in the back end of WP Admin how I can edit this text, to type in what I want. If you know how that can be done, if you could just give me some brief information on that, that would help. Also here in the theme, there's a section that says blog. I need there to be a section that says blog as well. You could remove this right here and just make this the blog section. And if you notice, the blog looks nicely organized as well. The thumbnail images are a certain size. It'll only show a certain amount of text before you click on the actual blog post, and everything is neat and clean and nicely organized. I also need this kind of stuff on the side as well, exactly as it looks here. Don't worry about content, just put the placeholder and then I'll fill in the content. You don't have to worry about this right here, graphic river. You can ignore that, but all this stuff, I like how that looks and I want that there. As you can see, yeah, so just an example of when you click on a blog post, and this is what it looks like. It looks nice and organized. Once again, that's how I want it to look as well when a user clicks on a blog post. And these are some of the elements that are not showing on this website that I need to have shown on the website. Last thing, this background here, the theme came with this particular background. and I need you to change that and put this background on here. Okay, so I need this background to be the same as the background of the theme. And other than that, everything you did was good. It's just those changes that I would like you to make, and there's going to be more projects that I want to explain to you, but first I want to get this one taken care of. If there's anything that's doesn't make sense to you or that's confusing, also, now that I remember, see, you'll notice here these images, these tabs right here on the theme. The tabs, you know, visually look better. They have like an icon beside it, and then there's text. There's an icon, then there's text. Icon, then there's text. On the actual website, you know, I don't see that, and you know, I would like there to be a way to put icons beside the text, so it just looks, you know, nicer and cleaner and more attractive in the way it looks. Okay, so that's pretty much everything. Um, I would like there also to be a way for it to have read more, so I can in this middle section right here, I need there to be a section that says read more, so I can actually write a blog post about these 3 sections here, which I didn't really have an option to do. Okay, so that's pretty much the changes that I need made. So I hope that's clear to you, and if you have any questions, just send me an email.